Hey friends, it's phonics time. Let's get started. So today you're going to need phonics worksheet number 56 and go ahead and grab your dry erase board and a marker. We're going to put our paper aside for just a minute and we're going to start with our board and our marker. Miss Tanner's going to give you 5 words and I want you to put them in ABC order. Now here's how I'm going to do it. I'm going to just draw a line right down the middle of my board. And I'm going to number these 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, this is where I'm going to put them in ABC order. Now, these words over here, these are the ones I'm just going to write the words and then I'm going to cross them out as I put them in ABC order so that I don't miss any words. All right. I'm going to write our words and then you pause the video and put them in alphabetical order, ABC order, and then we'll check them together. All right, here is your first word. All right, there are your 5 words. Go ahead, pause this video. Remember to say your alphabet and look at the initial letter to see which ones come first. All right, friends, did you give it a try? Hopefully you gave it a try. Even if you're wrong, I want you to stop and fix it. This is just practice, so it's okay to make mistakes. All right, let's do this together. Let's check it. A. Is there any word that has the initial letter of A? No. All right, B. Do any of them begin with a, oh, there's a B. We have bubble. So this is going to be my first word that I write. And then, friend, I'm going to mark it out so I don't have to look at that one again. I'm done. All right, C. No. D. Nope. E. There is an E here and there's an E here, but remember, friend, we are looking at the very first letter. F. Oh, friend, did you find that one? Fan. Mark it out so we don't have to look at it anymore. All right, E, F, G. Oh, look, friend, there's a G one too. Ass, gas. All right. H, I, J, K. I'm only looking at these two. L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. We have an S word. We have sheep. Mark that out, friend. Now, we don't have to finish saying our alphabet because there is only one word left. So this one has to go in the 5th spot. N. 10. All right, friends. How did you do? Hopefully this is getting a little bit easier for you. The more you practice, the easier it will be. And friends, if you want to do some extra practice, have your mom give you 5 words and put them in alphabetical order. All right, one more thing we're going to do with our boards today. I'm going to give you some letters, and then we're going to find the letters that either come before it, or we're going to find the letter that comes after it. All right, let's try this. All right, friends, we have J, K, L. What letter comes before, in front of the J? What do you say before you say J? And friend, if you don't know, then let's just say the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. What did I just say? I said H, I. I and then J. So I comes before J. All right, what comes after L? I, J, K, L, M. Yes, friend. M. Let's try that again. I'm going to write a set of letters on the board, and this time I want you to write them too, and then I want you to pause the video, and I want you to fill in the missing letter. Okay? Let's try it, friend. What letter comes before N? All right, pause the video, write it, and then come back and check it. Did you guys get M, L, M, N, O, P, Q? All right, let's do another one. One more, and then we'll get to our worksheet. What letter comes in front of the G? What comes before the G? All right, friend, pause the video. All right, did you pause your video? Did you write it down? If you don't know, let's just say our alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Friend, what did I say? I said F. Did you write an F? Good job. All right, let's put our markers away and let's grab our sheets, and we're going to do what we always do. Miss Tanner's going to give you 6 words. You're going to do your best job at sounding them out and using all of your phonics rules to sound them out, and then we'll check them all. All right, number 1, sound out the word stuff. Stuff. My mom says my stuff is everywhere and I have to clean. Stuff. Number 2, that. That is my toy, said the boy. That. Number 3, box. My mom said to put all of my toys in the box. Box. Number 4, spoon. I need a spoon to eat my cereal. Spoon. Number 5, friend, is sing. Miss Tanner cannot sing very well, but I try. Sing. Like la, 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 la. And number 6, book. I want to read that book. Book. All right, friend, if you need a few more minutes, just pause the video, finish trying, and then come back and check them. All right, let's do stuff. Did you guys remember the floss rule where we double the consonant at the end if it's an F, an L, or an S? Stuff. See the double consonant? All right, number 2 was that. At. Number 3 was box. Ox. Number 4 was spoon. Ooh. What makes that ooh sound, friend? Yeah, that double O. Spoon. All right, number 5, sing. Are you guys writing in all lowercase letters? Are you making that G sit on the line? I hope you are. Sing. All right, book. Uh-oh, friend. What makes that sound? Did you remember? It's the other O-O. Book. All right, if you made a mistake, I want you to pause the video and just fix it. All right, let's keep cruising with 7 through 12, friend. Number 7, write the word time. We are learning to tell time. Number 8, sheep. Sometimes I count sheep when I can't sleep. Sheep. Number 9, this one has a suffix on the end. So find your root word, your base word, and then add your suffix. Needed. Needed. I needed to take a nap. I'm tired. Number 10, snack. My mom said I could have a snack. Number 11, this one also has a suffix. So listen for the root word or the base word, and then add your suffix. Socks. My mom said I had too many missing socks. Socks. This one is a tricky one, because with that suffix, it might sound like a different letter. And number 12 also has a suffix. Kites. My brother and I went to fly our kites on the windy day. Kites. All right, friend, it is time to check these. All right, did you get your long I, t, I'm? Am I finished, friend? No way, Jose. I need a silent E. All right, sheep. Shh. Do you hear that digraph? The S and the H together make one sound. Shh. E. Did you get your double E? Your long vowel E? And is your P sitting on your line? Check it, friend. All right, and this one, needed. I'm going to do need first, and then add my suffix. Need, id, needed, and then add my suffix ed. Remember that ed remembers it happened in the past. It's already happened. All right, friend, how about snack? Snack. How'd you do, friend? Let's keep going. Now, this is the one I said was tricky. Socks. Because it has a suffix on the end of it, it's making it sound like an X, but it's not an X. Do you guys know the root word or the base word? Yes, friend, it is sock. So let's write that first. Sock. Sock. And then my mom said I had missing socks. I had more than one missing. So we just add an S to show more than one. It makes our word plural. All right. And number 12, kites. Another one that is a plural word. So I want to write my root word, my base word first. Kite. K-ite. Did I do it, friend? No, I didn't. I need that silent E. Now I have kite. Kite. And then my mom said kites. She said we could fly our kites. So we need that suffix S to make it plural, to make it mean more than one. All right, friend, put your paper aside and we're going to talk about this up here. All right, let me grab my marker. I'm going to say some words and I want you to say them after I say them. Table, thimble, bubble. Friend, I'm going to write these words for you to see. Table, thimble, and bubble. All right, friend, what do you hear in the final position of all three of these words? Yes, we hear bowl. All right, friend, what do you think is making that sound? Yes, if you said B-L-E, you are right. It is B-L-E making the bowl sound. Now, what we are going to call this the final stable syllable. Final stable syllable, B-L-E. Now, friend, why do we call it the final? Do you know why we call it the final? Because it comes at the end of the word. It's the final sound. Now, friend, do you know what the word stable means? Stable can mean two things, but in this instance, it means unchanging. So the end of this is not changing. And then why do we call it a syllable? Well, friend, because it has a vowel in it. Remember that when we have a word with more than one vowel, it usually has more than one syllable. So this is final stable syllable, B-L-E. That's what we're working on today. And it does not change. All right, I'm going to show you how we're going to code this word. Now, do you guys see the E right here at the end? When I say this word table, do you hear the E, friend? No, so we're going to mark that out. We don't hear the E even though we write the E. All right, friend, we code the final stable syllable by placing a bracket in front of it, just like this. I am going to bracket all of these just like that. Now the bracket is like, it's kind of like a dividing line. It's when we code a two-syllable word, we kind of want to sound them out separately. And that bracket is going to help us remember to sound this out as a whole part together and then this out as a part. Now, how would we code this word? If we did not have the B-L-E and we just had a vowel right there, we would know that this is a long vowel. So let's see if it works. Let's say t-able. Yes, it's a long sound, just like when we code another word. All right, let's try this one. Did you guys get the digraph TH? Now remember that we're just looking at THIM because the final stable syllable is its own part. So this will be a short sound. Thimble. All right, friend, last one. We're just looking at B-U-B. If we have a vowel and a consonant comes after it, it is short. B-ub, bub, bowl. Bubble. Yes, great job. All right, I'm going to write another word on our board, and we're going to code this one together. Now, friend, do you notice right away we've got our final stable syllable B-L-E? I'm going to go ahead and bracket that off and mark out that E. And then what I'm left with is F-E-E. Sometimes you'll see a digraph in the syllable before the final stable syllable. All you do is bracket it off like I did, and then code it like we would normally code it. This is a double vowel, so we are going to have a long vowel and cross out one of those E's, and now we can sound it out. Feeble. Feeble. Yes. All right, friend. This is not the last time you're going to see final stable syllable B-L-E. We're going to be reading some longer, tougher words that are going to have this B-L-E in it. So I want you to be looking forward to that. All right, grab your worksheet and we're going to keep cruising. On number 13, I want you to do your best job of sounding out the word bumble, like as in bumblebee. Try sounding out bumble. I know that sounds like a long word, but you guys now know the final stable syllable B-L-E. So I want you to try it. Bumble. All right, friend. Let's do the first part. It's 2 syllables. Remember, when we have a 2-syllable word, we sound out the first syllable and then we sound out the second syllable. So bum, 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 bumble. Now you know that final stable syllable is B-L-E, and you've got your word all spelled for you. All right, let's try a couple more. Try sounding out the word dribble. 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 It's 2 syllables, friends, so sound out drib and then put your B-L-E on the end of it. Dribble. All right, let's check it. Drib, drib, and then bowl. B-L-E. How did you do, friend? All right, number 15, try table. We wrote that one earlier, but try it on your own. Table. Table. All right, and the last one, friend. Oh, let's check this one. Table. T-A-ble. All right, the last one I want you to try on your own is bubble. Let's blow a bubble with our gum. Bubble. Sound out bub, and then add your final stable syllable B-L-E. Bub, bowl. B-L-E. Bubble. Good job, friend. All right, let's practice our coding. You know what to do. Go ahead, pause this video. You do all the coding work on your own and then come back and check it. Remember, this is just practice. So if you make a mistake, just fix it. But try on your own first. All right, here it is, friend. Let's check them. All right. Did you bracket off your final stable syllable and mark out that E? And then we have a short vowel. Here we have a long vowel. Then we have a short vowel. This one, did you remember your K back? And then your short vowel. Then we have a short vowel. All right, let's read our words and see if we can match the picture. Nib, nibble, nibble. Fable, fable. Peb, pebble, pebble. Hey, that matches the picture they're pointing to. Pebble. All right. Scrib, scribble. And stumble, stumble. All right, let's keep going. We have felt, felt. Mood, mood. Oh, no. Van, and did you guys see your vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel? It has 2 vowels, so we need to divide it into our syllables. Admit, mit, admit. All right, did you guys get van? All right, you guys, that is it for Miss Tanner today. You guys did some good work. This final stable syllable is a lot to think about when we're writing and reading words, but I know you can do it. Keep trying and keep practicing. See you next time.